Would you believe it if I told you that you're literally just 60 minutes away from owning your very own fully automated AI business? And not just one, but 5 complete, ready-to-run AI businesses. What's up? Jono Armstrong here, and I've got some bad news. And then I've got some really good news. So let's start with the bad news. Your job, your income, and your financial security are on the chopping block right now. AI is replacing millions of hardworking people faster than anyone thought possible. Copywriters, coders, marketers, graphic designers, admin staff, people are losing their livelihoods every single day, and it's depressing. But now for the good news. While millions of people are freaking out, a small group of smart operators are getting ridiculously rich because of this exact shift. Instead of letting AI destroy their income, they've stepped up and started owning the AI instead. Look, I'm going to get completely straight with you. The people quietly cashing in right now aren't writing fancy prompts into ChatGPT. They own real AI businesses that work for them around the clock. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, grabbing your cup of coffee and opening your laptop for 10 minutes. Instead of worrying about bills or stressing over a boss, you're looking at 5 different ways to collect real cash right now today. Inside our brand new app, you're getting 5 complete ready-to-launch AI businesses from day one. No blank screen, no setup, just choose your business and go. Business number 1, AI lead generation. Find high-quality leads for local businesses and turn them into recurring monthly clients. Business number 2, AI e-commerce. Create product listings, sales copy, and campaigns that help drive more sales. Business number 3, AI consulting. Produce professional market research and business reports that companies happily pay premium prices for. Business number 4, AI publishing. Help authors optimize and grow their Amazon book sales in just a few clicks. Business number 5, AI marketing agency. Create complete marketing campaigns, content, videos, and client deliverables automatically. So how can you launch one of these businesses in under an hour? Because everything runs on done-for-you templates and automated workflows. Simply log in, choose one of your 5 AI businesses, activate the workflow, and let your AI team handle the work while you focus on getting paid. Picture taking your family out for a nice dinner on a Tuesday night without checking your bank balance. Picture closing your laptop at 2 in the afternoon because your workday is already done. That's what true financial freedom feels like. That's what ProsperaBuilder gives you. This is so ridiculously easy that a 6-year-old kid or a 75-year-old grandmother can do it without sweating. If you know how to click a mouse, you're fully qualified to run this entire business. You don't write a single word. You don't write code. You don't set up servers or mess with complicated software. You get 5 AI businesses handed to you on a silver platter. You do 3 simple steps: log in, pick your AI business, activate the workflow, deliver, and collect your money. Your first income generating asset in your hands in under 10 minutes. Need a worker who isn't on the team? Hire new custom AI employees in just 3 simple clicks, completely for free. There are also 0 monthly AI subscriptions here. What you pay today is all you will ever pay. Now, normally ProsperaBuilder sells for $97, but during this launch, you get full access to your own AI business for a single payment of just $37. You're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So, log in, put your AI businesses to work, feel what it's like to have your own AI business creating cash-generating assets for you. And if you're not thrilled, email us within 30 days and we'll get every single penny back to you. Now, the price goes up every few hours. So, have a look next to this video, click the access button right now, claim your AI businesses, and let us start changing your life today.